Hi everyone, this is a quick preview doon sa G-Connect mobile app natin. I-run through lang natin yung lahat ng screen. So ito na siya. After how many months of development, we're able to come up with a prototype. So mga nasa 30% na siguro to. So ayan, no, we have the main interface already done. And meron na rin mga functionalities yung mga function buttons natin. And here we have the settings sa upper right. Already implemented the about screen. We have a Facebook group link and our YouTube channel. Yan, working na po yan. And we have the YouTube channel. No? Yan. Working na rin siya. And then dito sa settings, we have the CBC credentials page or screen. This is where we input our credentials na sa cloud-based controller credentials natin for us to be able to call the API. So ayan. So ready na rin yan. It's working. You can put the credentials and then you're able to call the voucher API. And then next is etong voucher element. Still interface pa yan. Don't have functionalities yet. Pero ayan, we're working on it. This is where you edit no, the voucher and you have the preview on top. So ayan, you can also upload your custom Wi-Fi QR code in this screen. So ayan. And we have, I'll show the quick preview lang sa terminal kasi we already have a G-Connect console. So ayan yung itsura niya in compare dun sa desktop. Ayan, very nice. Ayan, that's it for this demo. Thank you very much. See you sa mga next videos. Bye-bye.